Unraveling the Mystery, Plant by the Signs. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a particularly intriguing phrase, plant by the signs. This expression might sound a bit cryptic at first, but it's steeped in tradition and wisdom. So, let's unravel its meaning together and discover how it's used in everyday English. Plant by the signs is a phrase that refers to the practice of planting crops based on the lunar calendar and astrological signs. This method is rooted in the belief that the moon's phases and the positions of the stars and planets have a direct effect on plant growth and development. For centuries, farmers and gardeners have observed the moon's cycles and the zodiac to determine the best times to sow seeds, transplant, and harvest crops. The core idea is that certain activities, like planting leafy vegetables, are best done during a waxing moon, when the moon is getting fuller, while root crops fare better if planted during a waning moon, when the moon is getting smaller. Astrological signs are also considered, with each sign believed to be more favorable for certain types of plants and activities. The practice of planting by the signs is not just a piece of agricultural advice. It's a cultural tradition that has been passed down through generations. It reflects a time when people lived in closer harmony with nature's rhythms and cycles. This approach to farming and gardening is especially prevalent in agrarian societies and among those who prefer organic or biodynamic farming methods. Historically, almanacs were the primary source of information for planting by the signs. These annual publications contained weather forecasts, planting charts, and advice on when to perform various farming tasks. Even today, many gardeners and farmers consult almanacs or modern equivalents to guide their planting schedules. You might wonder, is planting by the signs still relevant in our modern world? The answer is yes, for several reasons. First, it encourages attentiveness to the natural environment and promotes sustainable gardening and farming practices. Additionally, many people find that following the lunar calendar and astrological signs in their planting activities fosters a deeper connection with the earth and its natural cycles. Moreover, there's a growing interest in organic and biodynamic farming methods, which often incorporate principles like planting by the signs. These practices are seen as a way to improve crop yields, enhance the health of the soil, and minimize the use of synthetic chemicals. We hope this exploration of plant by the signs has shed some light on this ancient practice and its place in the modern world. Whether you're a language learner fascinated by English expressions or a gardening enthusiast interested in traditional methods, there's something profoundly beautiful about connecting with the wisdom of the past as we move forward into the future. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language and its colorful expressions. See you in the next video.